the mechanic.
I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. My niggas ain't on and they on, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot, but the Draco no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay.
Alrighty guys, the product is here. I got my helper ready to help on the vehicle. She just woke up from her little nap. Say ling-a-ling. Say hi, mamas. Hello. Dile, how you doing? Mándales un besito. Alright guys, here's the product. Super nice packaging. We're gonna get it opened up for y'all and see what's inside. Okay.
Yeah, I got that.
And you got that, mamas?
Yeah, I'm a puppy.
You're gonna get to work?
No,
Yeah?
no.
No, you're not? Who is? ¿Quién? Me? Yo? Okay. Sounds good. We're gonna open this up right now and see what's inside, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, let's see what's inside. Okay, super nice packaging. Can't really complain there. Look at that. Super nice. Little foam protectant to keep it nice and safe. Nice little decal. Billetworkz. I like the red. Definitely stands out. Nice little card for a discount for the future. Check it out. Alright, and here we got the shift knob that we chose to go for the Mustang. Super nice. Got the coyote accents on the sides. On both sides, look at that, check it out. Super nice. I think it's gonna start howling pretty soon. Ooh, head up, boy. Super nice detail. I like that silver contrast. But yep, that's what's gonna be going on in the S650 heavy weighted shift knob. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, here's the S650 Mustang. We're gonna be performing this heavy weighted shift knob install. We got my little child over there looking for, I don't know what the heck she's doing, but this is where it's gonna go. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, here is the regular OEM shift knob. It's not a bad shift knob, but it's just very light and not my cup of tea. I'm gonna be switching that out, and it's definitely gonna give it a better look. And we're gonna go ahead and install that. Right, mamas? Where are you gonna take me after we install the shift knob? To the park?
No.
No?
Then we go.
Where are we gonna go? To ice cream?
No. McDonald's.
McDonald's. Sounds good. We're going to McDonald's, guys. Alright guys, for this install also, make sure that you put your shifter in the reverse position so there's no wiggle room at all. It'll make taking out the shift knob very easy, because you're just gonna turn to the left and this is gonna come off super easily. Look, just like this. Alrighty, so you're gonna keep on twisting this counterclockwise. Get everything out. There it is. Pretty easy. There's the old one. And that's the mechanism right now. Check it out. Woo! Alrighty. In that billet shift work little packaging, it came with this nice little groover that is gonna go inside the shift knob, so it fits this right here. I don't even know the stem, I guess you could call it, but this one on the far left is gonna go on the inside right here. So you're gonna just screw that in, and then this one will be put right here, so you can adjust the height that you want on the shift knob. Just make sure that you have a good height, because you want to be able to still do when you lift up the little clamp right here to do the reverse for this transmission. Because if you put it too low, then there won't be no room, and it won't allow you to do that. So make sure you do that, and let's see how it goes. But it's definitely nice. Look at that. All right, mamas, how do you think the shift knob came out? Good? Yes or no?
Yeah.
You think it came out good? Yes? Alrighty, guys. Here is the outcome of the shift knob. Check it out. Very nice. Gives a nice little look. Check it out. Oof, beautiful. Yep, so this is definitely a nice little add to the interior. I really like the way it looks. Very, very nice. Nice little detail to the aesthetics of the vehicle. The coyote on both sides. Gotta remember, boys, save the manuals. The 3 pedals. Let's get it. Very much. Really like the outcome of the install. Thanks very much to Billetworkz for this heavy-weighted shift knob. I'm over here sweating. Freaking hot right now in Texas, but got everything nice and set up. Really like the outcome of it, and I can't wait for the future mods. Thank you very much to all the Barrio Builds family. Thanks for the support, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it on the road to 1,500 subscribers. We're almost there. Bye.